Genesis GV60 cabin filter replacement. That is under the bonnet. You lift this cover off, and then there's a little mat there you have to remove. A little tab there we can lift it, and then you got open and open. You just pull towards you, and this will come out. And then everything is right in there. Little two tabs on the side there, and then this one just slides out, and then you can find the orientation of the air. Gently pull out all the lid, don't fall inside, and then get your new one in, and just again match the orientation, and then just shove it in there. Take the little cover, make sure it goes in that little hole there, clips in properly in there, and then we're gonna put this one back. Start from here, make sure that clips in properly. When that's done, put the little cover back and close the bonnet, and you are done. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.